Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics and then move directly into the controls. Make sure your Beats Studio Pro is awake and paired. Open the Beats app or the audio settings on your device. Once connected, check firmware and battery level so changes apply persistently. You'll use the app's EQ and sound settings. If you don't see them, toggle Bluetooth off and on and reconnect. This prevents mismatched profiles and ensures the equalizer you'll alter is the active output. You now perform the detailed adjustments. Open the app's EQ or custom mode and focus on the low-frequency band around 60-120 Hz. Increase by 2 to 6 decibels to avoid distortion. Once done, play a track you know well and tweak in 1-2 dB steps until the bass feels tight, not muddy. Make sure to test with ANC on and off, because noise control and spatial processing change perceived bass. Keep volume moderate to judge tone. You finish by saving your custom preset and confirming it applies to different apps and inputs. Once satisfied, listen on various tracks to ensure consistent bass without clipping. If you hear distortion, immediately reduce the low band gain or lower master volume and retest. Distortion often means DSP overload or firmware mismatch. If settings don't stick, update firmware, restart the headphones, or reinstall the Beats app. These steps resolve most persistence and calibration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.